Mama wakwaba wofreme adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo efia pokua vim lady ono na hosti program awatu ni din jaso ewo okay FM. Na Monday discussion a oye no okasa efa education ho ofre eye honorable yawo osei educhum a oye education minister eno no eye discussion efa education ho na ebusuafo ensama ekoso no na utietie na wo hwe videos a etwegu ya na kyerese his excellency na nado danko akufuado na membu we eba no education sector president bie no a obetum de no atoto eye his excellency na nado danko akufuado na efia pokua ekasa no na o kyerese eye STEM schools a his excellency na nado danko akufuado na eye honorable yawo osei educhum education minister omo aboa a omo asisi no yade ebeba na Ghana etumpon papa na wode wani ekirem ewo America na Europe countries ni bia STEM schools na ama no mo country no etumi etumpon because our STEM schools science, technology, engineering and also mathematics. Na efia pokua eka se STEM schools na Europe countries na America for de akomo anim no na meka say inti necessary Ghana for yeto aba de ema NPP amayoku no say education na etumi ema na oman etumpon dia adenti necessary yesake NPP for education oman penida da mahama na NDC for yi blocks a omuka so omu sisi na Ghana for mofra enya baby atena esua de no omu si school ne fa ewo mrem school ni fa omo anwie nti de na kire so NDC for education ho a Ghana for yes ye kwakofo mo aba free SHS NPP for e de aba then candidate his excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo e bo ho de ruwa se Ghana for ye manakwanya obema Ghana for na education free NDC for ye ho advert free education 419 enya de betimi aba so empo free education e bayi o mampenda da mahama ejina Ghana hanom na auto anyampia Ghana for ya fa ne normal ye de education e ye politics o mampenda da mahama e kyerese mofro omo etro ye friend say wasi e wo free SHS pencil no mu ina etu apo omu ina omo abombom in fact NDC communicators ni bebre kyerese e mofro omo call free education bebre na omo adwenye adwuma adanya omo koje entity free into omo adwenye adwuma na de bia me bisa se omo ko school omo tua school fees ni ye na ya adwenye adwuma na bebre na ye ntwa but omo ko free education bebre na etwai into say education na ema na oman etumpon dia and Ghana for what are we waiting for then necessary ye kofa NDC for ba umanya fa gari sugar kenke ena ho keka ho na ye de politics no ento nchen na ye ndwin Ghana ne future ho Ghana nkanko Ghana daachi emofra bebreba his excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo bo mo akọ free education enye easy na no kwasi prat NDC ne kwasi prat eti Peace FM en wawa education sector eniama his excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo aye wo ho no eye no wawa enti say STEM schools are his excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo abesisi science ukohwa science technology math engineering eho na woko master na so mo atimi asisi adan STEM schools are his excellency asisi enye schools ketwa infrastructures ne doso ye blocks 28 mpomo atimi awie so 29 mo musi 100 and something emu 28 kwa mo atimi awie his excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo bai wa be provide education free as system schools asanso abe complete 30 of U blocks NDC focus on musisi nti efia pokua de wo ka say education na ama na sisi aman bebre etumpon because this without education we forget it Without technology, you forget it. So mind betumi etumpon. Without the digitalization, you forget it. So mind betumi etumpon. And these things in the party be by NPP. And yes, yeah, your politics. And yes, yeah, your campaign they are NPP. But Charlie, what's your NPP for more policies? I would go a NPP and the only party a betumi e de Ghana akọ baby. Ebusanfo me kasa enche and some so between Efia Pokuya and our honorable Yaw or say Edichu.
Ne, you education level, education level, because minister are ready. Why crowd so near better drink come. But let me show you this smart schools project now, Ministry of Education, or more no. Show video ni mami. Na ene president mama so wa unim say he's the leader of the biggest opposition party, so can about STEM project. It falls in line with education, but not exactly about smart school, no. And they said the Ghana, yeah, because Ghana future, no, the world is going. Akayeng. Are we taking advantage of baby we are air corner na India for it to me the education system my bravo? Are we taking advantage of them? That is the main issue. People are going to the moon and coding or Thailand near the China and okay coding. Now ministry no big gargantuan policy it looks like that is where the ministry wants to target. And now say the tablet near the school for. So we are looking at STEM. We look at the STEM. Science, technology, engineering, and maths. Oko America, Oko Europe, baby. This is what they targeted. I'm more economies, national. Look at an economy, one of the biggest economies in Europe, Germany. A STEM. And the minister, no, you're Dr. Yaweduchum. Higher than a better where you see you put your money where your mouth is. Are we putting our money where you're not? Your money that and that is the key issue. We are about to doing Ghana future. This is something that should be of concern to you, and you will be life. These are the things that was very important to you. How we are using our taxpayers' money to fund your mother or future. We look at that. Any doctor from Penny for me, Dr. Dadechra de Worcester State University of America brochimemu. Samson year friend saying addition. In fact, addition ema or the saying and for innovations or we are in addition. Doctors in Penny for me, I'm can't Dr. Duchumui. Addition, you quota mu. Any Ghana ya Tom Banchene body yamu and so addition. They have now become icons, even at the global level. In the addition, you're very key, and it's the politics. But Ghana also said, education, we allow ourselves to politicize the education. It's very, very unfortunate. At some time, we train and say, in Ghana for Sika, yeah, they are called to train. Nanipa Bonnie Ghana near Ayawono. Nipa boni wa wagene say wo de sa bobo ya o sekia wo de baka cross train na nkofo bi to na mo sere na o mani age na ka sa na na do okoche bi a ofri akonya so na okoche bi a wo de train be koche bi na e kana ye boy ya ye de koto train na do de be koche bi. So that shows you say Ghana we are here ye kase ye continuity in governance. It starts with education. So maybe it must never ever be politicized. Your money that is very crucial. Very crucial. Me ba obocho me say ne classmate be any free SHS. Now no me koka free SHS am no be di matem say and how you are doing the burden of government. I'm say well for free SHS ubetime di matem all you want. I don't even care because ne classmate akra bi ne maame ti akra bi ase any free SHS and kabocho me pie order. The life of Akolano has changed. He's been put on at least some basic level bia. Previously no kakra bi enye bi. And that is why in Nkrumah ba no free education for northern sector no. Now you force Nkrumah wasaya and he just wanted to do it. He needed to bring people apart at a certain level. Now when you need na unko school and the crucial value of education. When you need na unko school now what is a wa for no nyina dwuma bi abadwuma wo hwa ka betimi aye pa ba school no we. Education is the key. This was the smart schools and I know Dr. Educhum Ministry of Education for no. That's what I'm saying. We should not do politics with it. Ghana, no. School,
Aye.
How school?
we ama na na do dan kwakufu ad na kompie ya mo science lab a wo hu bi block biem.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we
Okay.
ama ma panina
And I was you crying.
Aha, yeah, where you Okuapemai senior high school the hu.
Okay.
Where you Okuapemai. School
Okay.
bebre yes science lab for where ye St. Louis. E Okumasi. Omo nya science lab maku nsia. Where you Kumasi Anglican, omo nya 6. School bebre be afiyesa e bi kra ka ho. Wesley girls for the enemy. Omo so nya science lab maku nsia. Omo the enemy. Entu kwa Wesley girls omo say science lab ben enkron because ye di nsia koka omo no mo miensan so ho dada. School bebre be ene nyuma kese where Ahantamai girls.
No ni Ahantamai girls ne buy no.
Aye. And the one uncle no experiment then.
And aha no.
Aha.
Okay.
Enti enya no crow say school say no ya to massa where breed girls. Ya yes science lab amo. Yes, St. James Seminary. Ya new science lab so. School bebre be a obehwe bia ni akoye science lab. Baby okra na the STEM lab nso aka ho amom no mo ye coding, no mo ye robotics, omo ye niam akese. Minya ba de omo ne se durumre bia nipa na oka se no onim na nso omusa. Etu ba he na asem na oka no amagana fo adwan yo mo kesen se mo amanyofo kra na mo de na mpesa mo kire. Minya ba de wo hwe Accra High School. Kra de ya ye nhise ya enkwala na o mantem ho ni nyina nso timi kọ ekosua de wo hono. Primary school for junior high school for we and the senior high school for some engineering science, coding, robotics. We are Ghana.
Okay.
Baby, after we a 3D printer machine kesi pa. And the accuracy we a STEM center and Kwaranke 20 now so called Saturday young kusua there. Now if we have say now could do STEM high schools, baby they say awaso. Wo hwe emfidi egu ho a enkwala no di sua de enkwala no mu free Ghana mia nyina eno maba ho STEM no ba bi a edwane ko no we high school
we say high school e wo Ghana
awaso
na dan easy
ai
wow
we be tell school wo hwa bonten pa we one more smart board smart board we high school almost a chemistry almost fume chamber where abrichere universities ne high school kakra na obi o chemistry or the question fidie no say ya use bi to mo enko nani na afidie no absorb smoke no we the friend V block adan akese e STEM schools e Ghana
so obi be busa say so what is the plan they say mo plan big game no